This is our digital cash register. This will show us the total cost of the products purchased by a customer. We are using 4 IR sensors to read the barcodes of the products and 2 7-segment displays to show the price. Suppose one of our customers wants to purchase 3 products A, B, C. These are our barcodes. The price of product A is 3 taka. Now we are using this as our input. When we press the switch, the output becomes 3 taka. The price of product B is 10 taka and the output becomes 3 plus 10 equals to 13 taka. The price of product C is 5 taka and the output becomes 3 plus 10 plus 5 equals to 18 taka. Suddenly the customer changes his mind. Now he does not want to purchase product B. So we have to discard the price of product B. In our digital cash register, we have a subtraction feature. After subtracting the price of product B, the output becomes 18 minus 10 equals to 8 taka. We have successfully served this customer. Now we are resetting our digital cash register using another switch and our display will now show 0 taka. We have our second customer in our cash counter. He wants to purchase product E and F. And the price are 6 and 11 taka respectively. Taking these inputs, the final output becomes 6 plus 11 equals to 17 taka. As we are using 16 to 1 marks, the highest price of individual product can be 15 taka. Here we are using 2 7 segments, so our cash register can display up to 99 taka. By increasing the number of masks and 7 segments, we can further improve our cash register. We haven't used actual barcode, but decreasing the distance between adjacent IR sensors, our digital cash register may read actual barcode. We are providing all these features only in 1200 taka. This is all. Thank you.